In a shocking turn of events, a rapper who dared to attend a high profile celebrity party with nothing but a sock to preserve his modesty has found himself sentenced to 15 days behind the bars. Sponsors of some of Russia's most renowned entertainers wasted no time in tearing up their contracts with him, signaling a drastic fallout. To add to the controversy, reports suggest that even President Vladimir Putin is amused by it. The almost naked party unfolded in a Moscow nightclub, creating a storm of criticism, particularly given the backdrop of Russia's ongoing conflict with Ukraine and a simultaneous push for a more conservative social agenda by the authorities. A circulating online video clip captures a moment of explanation between Putin's spokesperson and a celebrity involved in the controversial party. Baza, a news outlet recognized for its connections to security services, disclosed that troops engaged in the Ukraine conflict were among the first to express their discontent after viewing the footage. Photographs of the event reportedly reached President Putin, leaving him unimpressed. On Wednesday, December 28, Dmitry Peskov, the spokesperson for Putin, made a plea to reporters for forgiveness, expressing his reluctance to publicly address the burgeoning scandal. He remarked, "Let's be the only ones in the country not discussing this topic." Maria Zakharova, spokesperson for the Russian Foreign Ministry, remarked that the controversial event had stained those who participated. The relentless backlash from authorities, pro-Kremlin lawmakers, influential bloggers, state media, and Orthodox church groups have been the focal point of headlines for days now. Held at Moscow's Mutabar nightclub, the event was orchestrated by blogger Anastasia Ivlina and saw prominent singers clad in nothing more than underwear or donning revealing costumes. These artists, who have long been fixtures on state TV entertainment programs, took center stage at the scandalous gathering. To organize such events while our compatriots are sacrificing their lives in the ongoing Ukrainian military operation and numerous children are left without fathers is nothing short of cynical. Our soldiers on the front lines certainly did not sign up for this, said director of Russia's League for a Safe Internet. In the wake of the uproar, several high-profile participants of the party, including journalist Ksenia Sobchak, whose late father Anatoly was once a friend and superior of Putin, have issued public apologies. Stay tuned as we navigate the complexities of this unfolding narrative and examine the societal and political implications.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.